2026 Cadillac VISTIQ. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, night vision, premium sound system, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, seat massage, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.